Hi guys, here I am with Payne's Gray going over the gouache pink, and I'm just putting highlights here. I'm going all around so that the claw appears not flat and more realistic. I'm putting here at the other edge of the claw, and then I'm going to take some water, and then the water is going to soften the highlights.
Look, I had ADHD, and I was dyslexic, and I was a class clown, and I couldn't sit still, and I was disorganized.
You see how it blends in? Just a little bit of water, and I'm doing little circles, softening the edges. And here it looks compared to the other side. I'm going to do that again, and in between the joints, I'm putting a little bit more dimension and highlight.